We are North Carolina citizens, and we are volunteers working together in partnership with the Coalition to Protect All North Carolina Families. We are here to tell you why we're volunteering and why we have hope that this amendment can be defeated and how you can make a difference.
Dave and I have been together for 23 years, and we were married in our Baptist church. We both were raised by families that believe strongly in their faith communities.
Some of the harms that this amendment is going to do, it's going to prohibit civil unions. It really makes it hard at our point in life to be able to plan for the future. It jeopardizes wills and contracts, hospital visitation, even disposal of our remains at death. Once we get the word out about this and the harms that it causes, not just to gay and lesbian partners, but to unmarried partners of the different sex, that the people of North Carolina will reject this amendment.
My partner and I are both native North Carolinians, and both of our families have been in North Carolina for several generations. We have a daughter together, and we're opposed to this amendment because of the harms it poses to children like ours. Even as an attorney, I can't overcome the fact that I'm considered a legal stranger to our daughter, and this amendment would only make that worse. This amendment is very extreme, but I have hope because President Obama and Governor Perdue have recently spoken out against this amendment, as have other gubernatorial candidates. I'm particularly inspired because Russell Robinson, a lifelong Republican, has spoken out against it, and his grandfather authored the Constitution here in North Carolina in 1868.
We've been together for 10 years. We were married in Canada. I believe we all deserve respect and protection.
I know that one person can make a difference. Did you know that in the General Assembly that this passed by one vote? One vote. And some of those legislators said afterwards that they regretted their vote. Let's not have that happen again. You can make a difference, and every vote counts.
I am a married, straight ally, and I care about all people and their rights. No victory for the civil rights of any minority group has ever come easily. There are more than enough fair-minded, reasonable, compassionate North Carolina citizens who would vote against this amendment. It's a matter of finding them and compelling them to get out and vote on May 8th. This leads us to what you can do about this.
Vote early, starting Thursday, April 19th. Vote early so that volunteers don't have to spend resources calling to remind you. Beyond this, volunteer to get others out to vote.
Talk to 10 of your friends and family members. Make sure they understand the harms that this amendment can do, and take the pledge to vote against on May 8th.
Participate in a phone bank or make calls from home to identify how voters will vote, to recruit volunteers, and to help get out the vote. Before April 19th, we're in the voter identification stage, and then after April 19th, it gets easier because all you call are those who already said they're voting against. We need tons of volunteers to help get out the vote. This is critical.
If you can't educate people or make calls, please give money to the campaign so that we can get our message out.
You can make a difference.
Be courageous.
Stretch beyond your comfort zone.
Imagine the smiles and pride we will feel when we defeat this amendment on May 8th. Then we can truly begin to celebrate and build a state of equality that is worthy of this great state of North Carolina.